Baby, now I got the flow, 'cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again. And you show you that I will. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you know I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Hello, beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today we are reviewing the ever so popular Kamiyah by Outre. It has been all over the YT lately, and now I see why, okay? I have been trying to get my hands on Kamiyah for about 2 weeks now, so a huge shout out to Miss Chrissy for helping me find her. She did a review on Kamiyah in 2 colors, and so I will link that below in the description box if you would like to check that out. She killed it. I have seen a few reviews on Kamiyah, not everyone's, but everyone looks so good in her, and now I'm here to tell you my thoughts. So I did pick her up in 2 colors. This is in the color 2, and I'll be bringing out the other one a little bit later on. The style of this unit is giving me like fresh sewing, like fresh bundle vibes. The style of her is really, really pretty. She has like these layers cut into her and these big loose curls. She is kind of long, so that's where she is stopping on me. The texture of this wig, I would definitely say, is yaki, and she feels really good. Like, she has some weight to her. The density is perfect. Like, it's not too much and it's not too thin. So here is the stock card for Kamiyah. I love that ginger brown color. So pretty. Here are a few other colors you can pick her up in. So let me just read you the claims on the stock card, and I'll let you know what I think. Soft HD transparent lace. Yes, absolutely. The lace was like down to my eyebrows. Like, they gave you plenty of lace to work with. I'm not too sure why they did that, but hey, it's better than not having enough lace, which has happened to me before, so I was fine with it. 5-inch deep parting space. I will have to say yes. I do think the parting space on this unit is really nice. Completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. So I kind of like cut off my sideburns on the side, as you can see, and my edges are like hanging out. But I did notice that they did come down really far on the lace. So if you wanted to, I would definitely consider this unit ear to ear. And I do think you would be able to lay those down really flat, and they were pre-plucked. It does have an elastic band attached to it, but I'm not using it. I really don't tend to use those in my synthetic wigs. And you know what? Let's go ahead and finish these up in my other color. I'm going to slide into that one real quick. Hey, I'm back. So this is the other color I have her in, which is DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. Oh, she is so pretty. It's like kind of dark outside right now. That's why I tried to give you those close-ups so you could really see like the color. And the the color is so pretty. I love this one. Okay, so clearly this one is my favorite. Yes, this one is my favorite. So back to the claims here. They say she has a frontal effect hairline, which she absolutely does. She is giving me frontal vibes all day. She is so, look at that hairline. Look at that parting space. Like, it's so flat. It's so sleek. I love that. Natural baby hairs. Yes, she does have natural baby hairs. I really didn't use them, but they are there. I think I just like brushed them back a little bit. And redesigned comfort fit ear contour. Yes, we talked about that a little earlier, how the lace does come down ear to ear. Absolutely. So as y'all can see, this color really got me hype. This wig really got me hype. I am so here for Kamiyah. So let's very quickly go through the pros and the cons of this wig. Pro number 1 is the style of this wig. I love it so much. Number 2, this color. I've seen it in so many pretty colors. Outre gets these colors right every single time. It is bomb. This parting space in this hairline is bomb. It is so sleek and natural looking. You really do get the frontal effect when you're wearing this wig. It has a natural density, a natural luster, a natural looking hairline. Whew, I'm so excited. She's beginner friendly, she is big head friendly, and I totally think she is worth the price. She is in the $40 price range, and she's worth it. I will go pick me up another one. Let me turn around so you can see this one from all angles. Okay, so now with all that being said, we have to get into the not so good news, and that is I did get some shedding and tangling from this wig. Yes, this beautiful wig is a shangler. It's so sad. I remember I had Aaliyah from this collection, and I loved Aaliyah. I wore that wig like every day to work. But eventually, I just had to let it go because it started tangling so bad, like at the nape of my neck. So, yes, this is definitely not really an everyday wig. If you want to prolong the life of her, this is one you want to keep in your rotation, okay? It's not a deal breaker for me because that's what I expect when I buy synthetic wigs. And I have, like, so many wigs. Like, I have a wig addiction. What I do is I just look for little items like this in my local beauty supply store. This is a weave and wig conditioner and detangler. It's for human and synthetic hair. It has anti-frizz, vitamin E, and all of these oils like olive, shea butter, tea tree, jojoba. And I just kind of like spray this on my wig and comb it out when I notice it's getting a little tangling. Now, this does not mean you can keep it forever and it will never tangle again, but it just helps prolong the life of your wig. And really quick, if you are curious, in my lippy combination, I am wearing my Amore in Beauty Brownie Lip Liner with my ColourPop lipstick in the color Daydream. So that is the combination for today. And of course, my Monet Dior Couture necklace. Check out my website. It will be linked below, along with the website for Amore in Beauty. So I do believe that brings this review to an end. I am so in love with Kamiyah. I will be purchasing her again. I already know. Maybe in a different color. Maybe in the same color because, y'all, this color is pretty. I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry. That brings this video to an end. I appreciate you so much for watching and rocking with my channel and supporting me. I will catch you in the next one.